seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Hello darlings, and welcome to Bad Girl Makeover for another unboxing for the 12 days of Christmas. Yes, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, please like, and please comment on the video down below. Yes, I'm ready to get right into this. I'm super excited, and what could this be? It's a pretty big box, so I'm guessing there's probably 2 dolls inside. All right, let's get right into this. All right, what can be in here? Ooh, little plastic reveal. Oh! Uh-oh, what's this? Oh my goodness. We have the 2 Barbie movie dolls. We have Barbie and Ken, of course, in their rollerblading outfits. How colorful are they? Oh my goodness. Here we have Barbie, as played by Margot Robbie. My first Barbie the Movie doll. Yes, I liked all the dolls in this series, but I really was partial to these dolls because of these colorful outfits. They look so retro, so like 90s, even late 80s, I would say. Late 80s, early 90s for sure. Yeah, I guess the neon colors were really popular in the early 90s. The rollerblading, of course, was a big deal back then too. And this is Ken, as played by Ryan Gosling. How cool. Yes, I'm very pleased with these dolls. Yes, I'm happy that the face paints are good. I love those kind of neon hoop earrings. They're so cute. They've got elbow pads. They have knee pads. They have their rollerblades, of course. Love them. All right, so yeah, let me know what you think of all the Barbie movie dolls. Yeah, I think these were my favorite out of the bunch. I would have loved to have gotten Ken in his long fur coat, but I wasn't prepared to pay $75+ for that. So I got these at a reasonable price through Walmart, I believe, brand new, and yeah, very happy with them. Yeah, so please be sure to like this video, comment down below what were your favorite dolls from Barbie the movie, and yeah, until next time, bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to watch the rest of my 12 days of Christmas videos. Thank you. Bye.